Just a quick updates for Dash USDT trading pair with my customer cursor. Guys, you remember the hype around the privacy token like Zcash, and that's why even the Dash followed that trend, and now everybody complain about it was a trap. So when we move up, it's organic move. When we move down, it's a trap all the time. So the logic of the retails, it's kind of weird. Of course, it's more than okay, guys, to fix the profit after 600% gain. So while all other altcoins just going down, so you open the chart of Polkadot, for example, open the chart of Algorand, that token's at all-time lows, and it could be the magic if they pump 600% gains, right? And here the Dash pump at 600%, but people not satisfied. And I don't know why people hop in here when we trade over the exit line. Usually when we trade over the exit line, it's just a matter of time when we come back and test it above this line. So I'll recommend you just simply track, add alerts and track it. Also, people waiting so the Dash will hit the new all-time high like XRP did. I think it will never happen. So it's my, of course, personal opinion. Most positive case scenario, guys, if we just bounce and sweep the high of zone 21. So it will be just an amazing result for the Dash. Maybe we go higher. We can't know how high we're going to pump or dump also, but we work only with the possibilities. Also, on the weekly time frame, we traded way over exit line. It was so obvious to sell. We trade and reject at exit line on the monthly time frame. So it's also not a time to buy. Now, how low we can drop? On the monthly time frame, we can drop even to the fundamental value of this stock in the lines. Last line, it's 39.55 at this current moment. So this one. I would be surprised if we not touch this line and go straight forward from this current prices. It will be amazing result, of course. We formed the monthly gap. So here, this one. So we formed the correction to 23. So the fundamental value, it's exactly 0.5 level by FIP of monthly gap. So I hope, of course, not, and will not drop that low, because, of course, if the Dash will drop, it means I think that all altcoins also will drop. It's not a big drop from current one, but 13%, kind of weird, and I don't want to see this downtrend, because all people, including myself, so tired of this cycle. That's why, guys, if you want to accumulate a Dash, I think, yes, we got a chance to hit the new high. From now, it can be like 1000% gains. Pretty good gains if we hit and sweep the high of zone 21. But I don't think so. We go higher. One take. Second one, take trade on indicator. Here was fixation profit. Fixation profit, now no new signal to buy or something. And it's only the buybacks. The last time buyback playing out here in June 25. Pretty good one. The buy line on the weekly time frame, it's 2060. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low, but it's possible. Daily, what's most likely we will see, it's a test of the buy line. Buy line is 34.50. By end of December, I think it can be a little bit higher, right? And it's going to be the test of fundamental value of a monthly time frame and the test of buy line on the daily. After that, we can see the consolidation, something like this one, and reversal move higher in, I don't know, January or even the spring somewhere 6. But build the realistic price targets, guys. So trade on a daily, no signal, take profit. So let's add alerts to take profit from sale. This one, I would like to see the take profit like it was, for example, here from buy, take profit, and step by step we can distribute it. The same story was here. Sell, we need to see the take profit, and after that, it can be the long, boring chop consolidation, or we can recover, move immediately. So let's hide take profit, trade on, and ADZ. Based on direction indicator, guys, there is no data now at this current moment. Weekly time frame. I mean, no data, no sales, no buy, so it's just neutral. Direction on the weekly, here was some accumulation, now nothing. Monthly, What is good for the monthly time frame? This is accumulation since June 23. Here was a signal to buy, kind of interesting. And here's another signal to buy. So maybe some big guys can purchase the token and accumulate. Maybe they knew something. All right. So and if we double check the market's mood on a monthly, it was a capitulation. Now it's disbelief. So it's great time to buy. But on the weekly, guys, it was also the time to sell. Here, wait the blue color like this one or the capitulation. So it's time to accumulate, time to accumulate. Now it's a positive on the market. Daily, here, it's a capitulation and disbelief. So I wish to see one more sweep of this liquidity because here, a lot of stop losses, 1, 2, 3, a lot of stop losses here. And it will be so amazing to drop it. And if we count from now, I don't think so. It is a good trade because the stop loss should be, I don't know, even under this one. So at 37%. From that low, when we sweep it, even 25% stop loss, 50% was the second leverage. No, it's not a good trade. So anyway, in this case, if let's add alert to this area, when we're going to touch it, and if we touch this level, I think we'll see the alert. And after that, we need to take a look at the price action, where to open the maybe futures trade. Market money power, daily, some money inflow was a few days ago. Weekly, no money inflow. This kind of bad. Let's add alert also for money power, money inflow. This one, at least need to see something like this one. Was in summer, June 24. After that, money outflow, MACD bullish, they weren't seen, no, nothing. So no bullish, no bearish. And take profit, I showed you in trade on, I showed you. You can track some news, but I don't think so. In the next few weeks, some news will affect the altcoins. And the bad signal, we are almost at the top. But by price, we're at the bottom. So the last time, of course, we can trade long-term period at the top because take a look, March 16 till April 18, we traded almost 2 years in that top level, right? But now we're at the top without money outflow. So most important, not we trade at the top and tied the red line. The most important data, what we have to track, it's a money outflow on the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame. Daily, now nothing. So guys, I hope you like this video. Like conclusion, I'm waiting the little bit drop to sweep the liquidity like 38, 35 test, and after that the reversal move. It's hard to say by time in January or spring 2026. If you'd like to trade as my customer, I would show in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.